Hey everybody, happy birthday. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I get nervous. But I like playing video games sometimes when I have free time. So, I just thought I'd show you a little bit of my video game play. Right now, I'm playing Noire. It's like where you're a detective and you have to do detective things. So, I'm currently investigating a case where there was a car found by the railroad tracks with blood splattered inside. I don't think it's a murder, but we'll find out. So I'm really trying. Stay tuned, because we can find out together. Let's do this. So this guy's a nice guy. He stole some money. I'm like, okay, it's okay he stole money because somebody got murdered, so it's like not a big deal right now. Here's the blood. Yeah, it's everywhere. But like, it's not on the ceiling. That's pretty fishy. Maybe the pigeons know something that we don't. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Fair enough. I'm pretty sure a pig was murdered, not gonna lie.
We're going to notify the wife. Wrong way around.
How so, genius?
Where is Aiden?
Oh,
I should have driven.
damn it. What are you doing?
Slow down!
I'm a cop!
Who needs a Second Amendment when we'll give a goddamn fool the license to get behind the wheel of an automobile?
Speaking of...
Why leave the victim's ID? If it's a murder...
No!
Evidence doesn't add up. Free lesson, fellas.
Shit!
Evidence will only get you so far.
Wow,
You
jeez.
ask me, the whole thing
You're not gonna be selling hot dogs for
what
a
I
long
wouldn't
time.
give to have you...
10 out of 10, I recommend this game. So I'm gonna zoom in on this so you can see it. Wayne's World, party time, excellent. Now you're part of the action. Oh, just a girl. Get in. Get the hell, get in. Hey, hey. Get it? Can you get your shit together? Oh my god.
Take it easy.
You know what? Next time you stop a shooter or an armed robber, then you can talk. Jeez. Everyone's a critic. Ah!
Ah, you're gonna kill someone!
Okay, it's an offense. Time to break the news.
We believe your husband may be injured. We found a pipe on the scene with blood on it.
Oh no! Of course, officer. Anything to help.
She's having an affair. Sunflowers on the outside. Murder affair on the inside. What the hell? I'm a cop, not a water heater man.
The pipe missing from Mr. Black's heater is the same one that killed him. Huh.
Well, I had that one wrong. I had the affairs mixed up. Gosh, don't get in my way.
No good to me.
Was that a sexist joke? So, tragically, I pushed this man, and as you can see, he's dead now. Oops. I just was trying to get to a crime scene, so kind of not my fault, but he was in the way. I just murdered somebody else with my car.
Yes,
Literally murdered.
This is the second person she's killed.
In the past 10 minutes.
2 minutes.
Mm-hmm. That's closer, but I rounded up. I mean, look, if you just push somebody like this, they shouldn't die. Well, if I need to go somewhere and they're not getting out of my way, see? Out of my way. Out of my way.
Oh, I wish I could...
Push the lady.
Let's see how many
Push
people
the
actually
lady!
die.
Oh.
How many people are gonna die?
Oh.
Okay,
Turn
he
around,
didn't
there's
die.
blood on the back.
He didn't die.
Hey, look at all the blood on the ground here.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know how that guy died. This looks like a cool little smart car for the
LAPD, police emergency. So I pay the city all
Alright,
these goddamn
literally. You pay all these taxes, and I need to take your car to solve crimes for the reason you paid me taxes.
You know Frank Morgan?
Sure. Frank's a regular. He's a loner in the back.
We found Black's car abandoned in a freight depot, covered in blood. You know anything about that, Morgan?
I like Adrian. He's a good boss.
Please, don't tell me you actually believe this jerk-off film.
Yeah, he's drunk. So.
Ooh, I'm a bad boy. What have you got that says I know where he is? That's it for me, gentlemen. Over and out.
Like I made a mistake.
This gonna be fun.
You've got a pretty funny idea of what keeping a low profile means, Phelps.
Who the hell is that? Will you relax? Jesus, Adrian, I told you, we're in the clear. I'll get it. Ah, shit.
Mr. Black? LAPD, give yourself up now!
I knew it.
Phelps, go in there. Mr. Black, get back here right now. Adrian Black, you're under arrest for conspiracy and fraud.
Vehicle damage. Oh shit. This is jazzy. This is jazzy music. I like it. You know, you can. No.